Sabi niya, marong emoji pa rin ka. Bro, I hate people with bad reactions. Kahit yan, kayong dalawa. Sana,
It's cause tumatawa ka first.
True. Weird.
Like,
Yun.
all?
Sabi ko, marong emoji. Sabi marong emoji. Tumawa ka.
I'm gonna make the best ice
Oh my God! People are boring. People are boring.
You're just a bad teller.
Oh, wow! When you tell stories now, I'm not gonna give you attention anymore. Oh my gosh. Even when it's the boringest little...
At least I...
Oh my God. My best friend is the fakest.
What's that?
Such a fake friend, actually. Actually,
think-
I'm so disappointed in you. Oh my God.
If you think about it,
If you think about it, you have to pee about chat because this is your second life.
I'm the realest person.
Realest person.
Between both of us.
Between both of us. Yeah. What are you trying to say?
You're the fake one.
You're the fake one.
How am I being fake if I'm telling
Real or
you these
fake?
things?
I real or fake?
Bisan what the nagkas... Oh, my boy. Sinapanay. Kailangan ko ni Mondar ko kay silingan mata. Ano ba ang sama? Bakit ako kagusto ko ni mo? Kailangan mo malunggulan ako sa'yo. Sabihin mo ang nararamdaman mo. Sabihin mo na dula-dulanin ko pero gusto na kung kita ay magkaila sa mata na kasing nagtanay. Kailangan ko nilalara ko ay sabihin na ano ba? Ano sama? Bakit ako nagkagusto ko niyo? Did you do that to your hair on purpose? Oh. No. Saman?
Sa mga pinaakan, ay, pistig mo.
Uy.
Ay, gosh.
Mosquito?
Ang mga moskiraw. Wait a minute. Ano yun?
Call. A call for help. SOS.
Baka may tao dito.
I don't know what's happening here. Or baka it's not even about Kuya JM. Plot twist. It's about fyang. May tumatawag sa'yo. Ringtone, ringtone, ringtone. Call. Family? Is
Nawala
that
yung chocolate ko.
what must it about?
Legit. Dalawa. Ilagay ko dito. Or dito.
Pwede na ba lumabas? No. There are people behind.
Hudyat niya yun ibig sabihin. Hudyat para saan?
Ari ni mong dula-dula ni ako. Look at this drink. You see this drink? It's like milk tea. It's called, I don't know. It's called chocolate milkshake.
Muntik pa tumapon sa akin.
Look at that. You know what that is? It's like cream cheese.
Yeah, I know, it's like it.
It's just ice cream. Oh my god. I'm so
It's bad.
It's so sweet. Remember the slime?
That one?
Slime ice cream. It looks like cream cheese. Oh, Roger would love this. He loves chocolate and sweets. I can make this for him. I have so much things to make now for him. Gosh, so cold. Ugh. It's just chocolate drink.
Tim.
Imagine if I had whipped cream. It's just normal chocolate drink.
Yeah. Go, continue.
It's just normal chocolate drink with.
No, what's up kanina? Wala na.
I don't remember.
Tulog na tayo.
Who do you think is calling Kuya Jayan?
Dad.